for the first time is towards victory. And without failing there, we cannot reach. So we have to try the things again and again to achieve that. Are you getting my point, boys?
Yes, sir.
So, thought for the day from Mahdi English School for all our children is first step to victory is three small letters, that is TRY, try. We have to go on processing. This is goes on process system until we get succeed for our ambition. Is that clear, boys? All right. Now,
Yes,
who will
sir.
tell me? Yes, beta. Now, who will tell me up till what we have completed in the class? We are in chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. Who will tell me what we have completed right here in the class?
Sir, chapter 3 we completed. Now we are in chapter 4.
હું ચેપ્ટર 4 ની જ વાત કરું છું અહદ. I'm talking about chapter 4 only. But who will tell me? I have written everything. I know from which topic I have to continue. But I want to know whether you all are active or not at home. You all are doing the things what we are doing in the class or not. So જે કરતું હશે એ મને કરેક્ટલી બતાવી શકે. જે ન કરતું હોય મેથ્સ એને ખબર પડી જ જાય કે આને કાંઈ ટલ્લે જ ચડે છે, કાંઈ ખબર જ નથી પડતી. So up till what I have completed, what was the last topic we studied in the class, in our last lecture when we were having?
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now who will tell me up till what we have completed? What was our last topic? So nobody is willing to tell me and nobody is aware up till what we have completed. Absolutely useless class. Seriously. I don't know why. Is my screen presented to everyone?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
My screen is on
Yes,
your
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You studied how many topics? We studied point, then, then, what is written on your screen?
Sir, now it is not presenting.
It's not presented.
Yes, sir. Your screen is not presenting.
I don't know what's wrong in Google Meet. There is some error, I think so.
Sir, now it is
Is my screen
presenting.
presented? Okay.
Now screen is presenting.
What are the topics we studied? We studied point. Then what was the next topic we studied?
Line segment.
Then
Line. Ray. Intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Curves.
in curves, there were two topics what we studied.
Open curves and closed curves.
Then what was the next topic?
Polygons.
Polygons means a closed figure which is prepared with the help of line segments. એમાં કયા topics ભણ્યા આપણે?
Sides and diagonals.
What was the first topic? Vertices. Vertices means we can say vertex point also. If we are talking about more than one point, are said to be vertices. If we are talking about one single point, it is said to be vertex. Understood? Then what was the next topic we studied?
Angles.
In angles, I have shown you vertex point from where two sides arms were there and one angle was forming. Then we studied what are the side arms. One is base, if you do remember.
Interior point.
Yes, interior point. याद आयो? If the point is inside the diagram
point.
is said to be interior point, and if a point is outside the angle is said to be exterior point. Now we are in new topic. The new topic name is quadrilateral. We studied up till triangle. In triangle we studied about sides, vertices and angles. How many angles do we formed in triangles? Now we are in quadrilateral. Our two topics are left for this chapter, quadrilateral and circle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right now what we have to study is quadrilateral. Chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Ideas. Okay. Now our new topic is quadrilateral. What are the topics we have to study in quadrilateral? Side, vertices, angles, sides, vertices, angles. Okay, then adjacent side, adjacent angle, and last one is opposite side. Sorry. Yeah. Opposite side, opposite angle. Okay, boys. Now, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Who will tell me what do you mean by quadrilateral? Anybody from the class? Quadrilateral means a close figure, or we can say a polygon. We can say polygon which is formed with 4-line segment. We can say a polygon, or we can say a close figure, which is formed with the help of line segment. 4-line segments. Okay. Triangle એટલે શું? Triangle, a close figure which is formed with the help of 3-line segments. So quadrilateral means what? Quadrilateral. Qua is always spoken as quarter, quadri. Are you getting my point? So in a year, how many months are there? In 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. If I say you have to pay your fees quarterly, means what? 4 મહિનાની સાથે ભરવાની કીધી?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? This is an example.
Yes, sir.
Okay, તમને point out નથી કરતો કોઈને regarding your fees. So these all diagrams are said to be polygons. Are you getting my point? A close figure which is formed with the help of line segments. But polygon, quadrilateral, it's a part of polygon. That means a line segment, a diagram which is formed with the help of 4 line segments. Understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
This diagram is said to be polygon and it is said to be quadrilateral. Why quadrilateral? Because the figure is formed with 4 different line segments. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So now what are the things we have to study in this? If the diagram is formed here, for example, I am preparing a simple square for you all for the understanding portion. Okay. So if I give a name here, point A, point B, then point C here, and point D. Okay. So now, what are the sides of the given diagram? Can anyone tell me? What are the sides of the given diagram? The first topic what we have to study is A, B, C, D. I'm not kehvai. AB is one line. BC. I'm sorry. I made a mistake while naming the things. Just a second, okay? C will be here. And D will be over here. Okay. So AB, then BC, then CD, and the last one is A, or you can say AD. Both are correct. Okay. So the line of a quadrilateral is what? How many lines are there? Line AB, line BC, line CD, and line DA. Understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now, vertices. How many vertices are there in the given diagram?
ABCD.
એવી રીતે બોલાય? હે ઘોંચું? એવી રીતે બોલાય? How many vertices are there?
AB, BC, CD, E.
એવી રીતે બોલાય? હે આપણે કઈ લાઈન પૂછે છે કે વોટ ઇઝ પોઈન્ટ પૂછે છે? Point A, point B, point C, point D. How to be spoken this?
4.
Point A, point B, point C, point D.
Chalo, how many angles are formed here?
Sir, 4 angles.
4 angles. Which are they, beta?
Angle A,
Sir,
angle
angle
B.
Angle A, then
A,
angle B. What is the symbol? Is this capital L I am writing?
no sir, it is the symbol of angle.
Very good. So angle C and we can say angle D is forming here. How many angles do we see here? Angle A, angle B, angle D, and angle C. Now, if I ask any of one of to give me the name of angle A, can anyone can give me the name of angle A? Anybody from the class who can give the name of angle? Okay, chalo, I got you that you are telling that angle A is the angle of the given diagram.
Sir, I give name.
हाँ बोलना बेटा.
ए सी ए बी से एक एंगल बनता है.
I don't know that. A, B, A, C say, I don't know that. What is the name of the angle?
Angles name.
Yes. If I am taking this into granted, angle A, what is the name of the angle that can be formed?
Sir, can I tell Nakiragi Vasan?
Yes, Nakviragi Basan, you also can try. Because I told you all 100 times, more than 100 times, to learn the name of the angle, how to proceed to check what is the name of the angle.
Sir, it is right angle.
I'm not asking you what is the type of angle, idiot. I'm asking you what is the name of angle. If angle A
Angle
is નોનસેન્સ એંગલ એ તો સરે કીધું તમને એનું નામ શું કઈ રીતે દેવાય નામ how this angle is formed with two lines, what are that lines, how this angle A is forming. Seriously, સાવ એટલે સાવ ડમ્બો ક્લાસ છે, nonsense class છે, seriously. Frankly speaking, I'm not kidding at all. Very frankly speaking. Now Dumbo class. I'll give you, I can rate you 2 out of 10. એટલી Dumbo class છે. As compared to the other class, what I am teaching right now. If we are taking angle A નું નામ થાય B, A, C, or we can say angle D, A, B. BAC ne BAD thai, sorry. What will be the angle over here? BAD. Why BAD? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Why
because it
BAD?
is angle. Sir, because it is angle A, so A should be in between, and
હા તો ક્યાં
it
હતો
will,
તું અત્યાર સુધીન? A should be always in between. Point B and point D will be at the any two ends. Either you can speak BAD or you can speak DAB. Both are correct. If we are going with angle A, is that clear? If I
yes,
want
sir.
if I want to ask you, give me the name of angle B, then
सर ABC और CBA.
very
The
good.
name of the angle is
Very good. Now you understood. What will be the angle C? What will be the name of angle C?
सर
BCB or
BCD और
BCD.
BCB, or we can say angle BCD. What will be the angles D? The name of angle D?
ADC.
Sir,
or
A-
CDA.
ADC CDA.
ખાલી ADC નથી લખવાનું, શું લખવાનું?
Angle ADC, angle
Very
CDA.
good. Angle ADC and angle
एंगल CDA.
CDA. આ છે શોર્ટ ફોર્મ નામ. આ એંગલ્સ ના આપણે જે લખ્યા એ શોર્ટ ફોર્મ નામ છે. We have to present, if they ask us about the angles, we have to present the full name of the angle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
સમજાય છે? અત્યારે તમારા બેઝ એક્સપ્લેનેશન માટે એંગલ A, એંગલ B, એંગલ C, એંગલ D લખી નાખ્યા. But when it is asked what are the angles we can find here, we have to give the name. For example, BAC. So angle A is equal to BAC, like that way. Angle B is equal to ABC. Angle C is equal to DCB. You can give any one name. No need to describe both the sides. Understood?
Yes sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, now who will tell me what is the adjacent side? Anybody from the class? Adjacent side? Adjacent means what? Adjacent means તમારા નેબર્સ છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તમે ફ્લેટમાં રહેતા હોય કે ઘરમાં રહેતા હોય, તમારી નેક્સ્ટ ટચિંગ વોલ જેને કહેવાય ઘરની, એને અડીને કોઈ બીજા નેબર્સ રહેતા હોય ને? રહી છે કોઈ?
Yes sir.
તમે એકલા જ
Yeah.
રહ્યો છો
Yes, sir.
ચોપાટીમાં?
No, sir.
રહી છે ને નેબર્સ?
Yes, sir.
Yes
So
sir.
that is known as adjacent side. If, for example, like this, I will tell you like this. See, if this is the wall, this is your house, and this is your neighbor house. Okay. So these two sides are known as adjacent side. શું કહેવાય? આજુબાજુની સાઈડ.
Adjacent
શું
side.
કહેવાય? Adjacent side means
Baju
આજુબાજુની
baju.
side. Have you all understood?
बाजू वाली साइड.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So,
Understood.
you know what are the sides. It's already written here. See, સૌથી પહેલો ટોપિક આપણે ક્લિયર કર્યો, what are sides of the given diagram. So if we want to find an adjacent side, if I'm taking line AB, શું બોલાય છે? line AB. So B is coming at the end. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
તમે
Yes, sir.
ક્યાંથી ને ક્યાં જાઓ છો? A to B. Line AB બોલાનું. So B will be the common point. The adjacent line of AB is what? BC. The adjacent line of line AB will be what? BC. B will be the common
BC.
point. If you are speaking line BA, line BA બોલ્યા
Then,
તમે,
sir,
then the
then the
adjacent
common
line
point
will
is
be,
A.
so AD will be the adjacent line. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir.
સમજ
No,
પડે
sir,
છે?
no doubt.
Adjacent line means what? આજુબાજુની
Yes,
line.
sir.
That means પડોશી. You can tell your neighbors. So AB will be having two different lines. You can tell one line as BC or you can go with AD. Are you getting? If BC is one line, you can tell that CD will be the adjacent line, or you can tell BA will be adjacent line. Understood? Are you getting my point, boys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt with
Yes, sir.
adjacent sides?
No, sir.
No, sir,
Okay.
no doubt.
Okay. So what are the adjacent angles in this?
Sir, can I say the yes? I am just
Yes.
guessing.
Yes.
Sir, adjacent, that angle means like angle A. So, उसके बाजू वाली एंगल मतलब एंगल बी या एंगल डी?
Both are angles. Both are adjacent angles. Angle B also is the adjacent, and angle D also is the adjacent angle. Understood? If we are talking about angle B, so what are the adjacent angles of angle B? Angle A and angle C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What are
sir.
the adjacent angle of angle D? Who will tell me? Angle D નું adjacent angles કયા થાય?
Sir, CB
Sir,
અથવા તો
angle A.
AB.
એ ભાઈ CB અથવા AB લાઈન નથી પૂછતા, angles we are talking about.
Sir, angle C or angle A?
Very good. The adjacent angle of angle D is angle C, or we can say angle A. Same way, adjacent angle of angle C,
Angle B and angle D.
angle B and angle D. So now you cleared with the point, a word
Yes.
adjacent. Very good. Now we are in opposite sides and opposite angles. So word itself opposite, you are aware કે opposite કોને કહેવાય, right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Adjacent, you were not aware of. What do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent means the right hand side and left hand side, the nearby, the neighbors, we can say, right? So opposites are what? If I tell you opposite side of line AB, so opposite side will be line DC. Side જ્યારે બોલાય ત્યારે line આવે, angles જ્યારે બોલાય ત્યારે vertex points આવે. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So what are the two pairs AB and DC? If I say AD, line AD, so what will be the opposite line of line
CB.
AD?
CB.
Sir,
CB
BC
or
or
BC.
CB.
Understood? Have you all understood, boys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt
Yes,
with
sir.
this?
No,
Now
sir.
let
No,
me
sir,
tell
no
you
doubt.
one thing. Now let me tell you one thing. See, હમણાં તમે બે નામ આપ્યા, BC and CB, right? If they are saying line AD, a line no symbol આપીને AD લખેલું હોય, and if they are asking us the opposite side, then A ની સામે opposite શું આવે છે? So you
Sir,
have to
BC.
speak like BC only. You have to say BC only. ત્યારે CB ના બોલાય. Understood? If they have said DA, then BC ના બોલાય. It should be CB only. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? How to name this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, again, the last topic of this topic, what we are studying, quadrilateral. The last part is opposite angle. What do we mean by opposite angle? If I ask you angle A, what is the opposite angle of angle A?
Sir, angle C.
Very good. So angle C will be opposite angle of angle A. What is the opposite angle of angle D?
B.
Sir, angle B.
Angle B.
Are you cleared with all the content what we studied for quadrilateral?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear.
કોઈને doubt છે?
No, sir. No doubt.
See, again, quadrilateral is said to be a polygon. Coming from the very top part, quadrilateral is said to be a polygon. A polygon ma count થાય છે. Why? Because it is a closed figure which is formed with the help of 4 line segment. Quadrilateral ma always 4 line segments હોય. એવું જરૂરી નથી square જ હોય. It can be rectangle, it can be a diamond shape, it can be a rhombus, parallelogram. Understood? Like this also it can be. This is
Sir.
also with the help of 4 line segments, a parallelogram.
Sir, I have a
Yes,
doubt.
yes.
Sir, sir, if the polygon is diamond shape, so how to name the vertices?
These all are page ફેરવીને જોઈ લેવાનું. These all are angles. These are vertex point A, B, C, D. And don't worry at all. You don't have to form any diagram. Diagram will be already given. You have to simply follow the instructions and answer the following questions. That's it. In some cases, the diagram will be asked, but in that it will be very easy. We can easily form that. Okay? So, am I correct now? Line AB is opposite side. So, line AB opposite to line DC. Are you getting?
Yes.
Adjacent
Yes.
side, line
Yes,
AB
sir.
adjacent to line BC. It is very easy. See, this diagram also is said to be quadrilateral. Certainly straight line nathi, but this is also with the help of 4 line segments. समझ पड़ी गई? Any diagram which is formed with the help of 4 line segment are said to be quadrilateral. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
So
clear.
quadrilateral having a sides means 4 sides will be there. You can easily get 4 sides from quadrilateral. The name of the sides are given here. If it is taken ABCD formation is there. If it is taken PQRS, it depends on you what name you are taking or what name is given in the question. We don't care about the naming part. We always care about the diagram to be understand. Right? So what
Sir,
are
we can start.
what are the
Sir,
vertices? Yes. Bol.
sir, vertices means angles.
Vertices means point, vertex point, idiot, not angles. Angle is having a different point only. Vertices means this bold point where the line segment is starting. This point is said to be vertices. These all points. Point A, point B, point C, point D. These are said to be vertices. Vertices means it's a plural form of vertex point. Vertex point means point A, point B, point C, and point D. If we are talking about more than one point, that all points are said to be vertices. You cleared?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, clear.
Now talking about angles. So angles you already learned how to form the angles. So angle where it is formed two line segment from one single point or one single vertex point, right? So બે આમ જાય છે. From point A there are two line segment it is forming. From point A it is forming AB also. From point A it is forming AD also. So compulsory one angle will be formed at point A. What angle? That is least concern. Whether it is acute, obtuse, right, we don't care about it. Angle no symbol આપી દીધો અંદર. Understood? So from point A,
Yes, sir, understood.
point A, is it one angle forming there? Yes. So angle A, angle B also it is forming, angle C also it is forming, and angle D also it's forming. Right? Have you all understood? See,
Yes,
the
sir.
number of line segment, the total number of line segment will be there. The same total number of angles will be there. કેટલી line segment છે? જો તો અહીંયા. Lines કેટલી છે? AB, BC, CD and DA. So there will be 4 angles. There will be 4 vertex point. If it is triangle, how many line segment will be there? 3. So there will be
Sir,
3
3.
angles and 3 vertex point. Now you cleared with the simple formation.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, what do you mean by adjacent side fast? Come on. Adjacent side means ખાલી નામ નથી દેવા, ખાલી કહી દો. You are cleared with the topic. Adjacent side means
Sir, adjacent side means આજુબાજુની side.
neighbor sides, right? Adjacent angle
Yes, sir.
means
Sir, adjacent angle means like example A angle is there, so its adjacent angle is D or B.
very good. So આજુબાજુના angles, right? Opposite side means તમારા ઘરની સામે રહેતા હોય, that is known as opposite neighbors. Are you getting?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting my point? Adjacent side means તમારા ડોર થી લઈને આજુબાજુના ડોર વાળા એડજેસન્ટ એંગલ, તમારી લાઈનમાં રહેતા હોય એ એડજેસન્ટ નેબર્સ, અને તમારી સામે રહેતા હોય, ક્રોસમાં રહેતા હોય, એ બધા શું કહેવાય? ઓપોઝિટ એંગલ્સ, opposite neighbors. Are you getting? So opposite
Yes,
sides
sir.
and opposite angles. Do you understood about adjacent side, adjacent angle, and opposite sides, opposite angles?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So we are cleared with the topic named quadrilateral. We are going to learn about circle, which is our last topic of the chapter in our next lecture. Okay? So you should go ahead and revise this topic, refer it once from your textbook or PDF at home. Chalo. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health, everyone. Have a nice time, boys. Bye bye. Khuda
Bye,
Hafiz.
Bye,
sir.
sir.